Hi all, welcome back to Bam DIY. So today I want to teach you how to make this very cheap, economical, affordable, cost-effective antibacterial liquid soap. Emphasis on antibacterial liquid soap. And yes, it's a multi-purpose liquid soap. So you can practically use it for a lot of cleaning. You can use it to clean your general utensils in the kitchen. You can use it to mop your floor. It will make everywhere to be sanitized because it's antibacterial. You can use it to clean your surfaces that and it will be free of germs. Your whole bathroom set, your toilet, you can use it for it. And yes, you can use it to wash your clothes in your washing machine, clean your glasses, and it wouldn't fade your colors in your clothes. These are most of the uses you can use it for. So when I mean multi-purpose, this is what I mean by multi-purpose. And then you can also use it to wash your dishes. So this formula, I created it to look like the popular brand known as Fabulosa. It's being sold in the supermarket. Most times the ones we get here in our supermarkets are normally come in this purple one that is normally written Fabulosa multipurpose liquid soap. So I tried as much as possible to imitate both the appearance of the product, of which it is transparent, glossy, glassy, and then of which it is also purple in color, and then it must have that very important aspect, antibacterial. So we'll be making use of an antibacterial component. Hi, and welcome back to my channel. For this production, we'll be making use of SLS rice. It will serve as our foam booster and is also a cleaning agent. We'll be making use of salt, which will serve as our thickening agent, and it will also help the production. And then lastly, we'll be making use of SLES, which is your Texapon gel. Your Texapon gel at 1 kg. The recipe will be on the screen once I'm done mixing everything. So what I first did was to measure out 3 liters of water, and then into these 3 liters of water I combined in added the SLS rice to it. The thing is that SLS rice can actually, yes, it will dissolve in water, it's water soluble, but you have to add in enough water for it to dissolve. So I use about 3 liters of water. My jug measurement is 1 liter jug. I always keep it by the side whenever I'm making my production. Try and get one if you are into production. Get your measuring cups. So I use my 1 liter jug to measure 3 liters of water, and then I added in my SLS rice, 500 grams. You can use from 300 grams to 500 grams to make this production. At the end of this production, you'll be realizing something about 18 to 20 liters for this production. So after mixing it all, just set it aside for it to dissolve. While it's dissolving, let's get straight into how to dissolve our Texapon gel. Texapon gel, sometimes it may be a little bit difficult for you to dissolve it with water directly. So it is good that you dissolve it with your salt before you add in your water to it. That way it will be quicker for you to dissolve. So all you have to do is to mix it up very well, and then we're going to dissolve it with some water. If you are making a bigger production or a bigger batch, you can use your industrial mixers, you can use your ribbon mixers to first of all do this combination. Always combine your salt with your Texapon. That way it is always easy to dissolve. Some people come on YouTube to search for how to easily dissolve Texapon gel. I'm telling you the gospel truth. But with salt, with this very beautiful tip, you can actually dissolve it quicker and then use it and work. Even a little bit of 1 tablespoon of salt can help you uh, melt your Texapon gel as quickly as possible. So what you have to do now after dissolving it is now to adding water to it, but gradually. You can see I'm not rushing in the water. I'm just taking it gradually till I'm done adding all the water I need. And to mix this my Texapon gel, because of the vessel I have is big enough, I'll be using about a total of 6 liters of water to do this dissolving. Then I'll set it aside. This is the recipe. You can screenshot it so that you can save it in case you want to make use of it anytime. You can easily lay your hands on it and work with it. So after mixing everything, I will also set it aside for you to dissolve properly before we can now combine. Bear in mind that Texapon offers cleaning effect or cleaning benefit to your production. So not only does Texapon cleans, washes, and remove stains, it is also a wetting agent. What I mean is, if you soak your fabric in clothes, for it to be able to absorb water, so that you can be able to wash it out, wash out the dirt from it, and remove stains from it. Texapon is also very, very powerful, and is one of the basic foaming agents that most will I say general household cleaning producers make use of. And then even it is also applied in skincare. Even the SLS powder is even used in the toothpaste that we make use of. I'm telling you. So most of these chemicals, just depending on where you apply it in, they can even be applied in pharmaceuticals. As the SLS rice has fully dissolved, let's combine other components so that we can proceed. So I added in 15 grams of my preservative. I'm using methyl paraben. You can use propyl paraben also. And then I'm adding in 30 ml of my chloroxylenol. Chloroxylenol is the antiseptic, the antibacterial agent in this product that will serve to help to sanitize the surfaces that you use it and clean the mopping you are doing. If you don't have chloroxylenol liquid, please go to the supermarket near you and buy Dettol liquid. From that Dettol liquid, is already diluted in water compared to mine, so you can use about 50 ml of it and add to your SLS. That way you have actually improved the quality of your multi-purpose liquid soap. Instead of just making normal liquid soap, you can actually add in some extra ingredients to it and thereby making them more better and more quality. For the fragrance top notes, I'm using lemon, and for my heart notes, I'm using rose. Rose is actually beautiful if you are talking about washing, laundry, cleaning. It smells amazing. And then with the mixture of the top notes from the citrus family, lemon, you can use lemon or tangerine. It's actually very beautiful when you combine those. I didn't really bother about base notes much because it's just more of cleaning, more of cleaning surfaces. That is what this product is about. So rose smells nice in your clothes when you use it to wash, and if you use it to mop your house, it will smell very nice and welcoming. I use this production, I make it a lot for people, and this is kind of production you can make and you sell them in kegs, in gallons, like one gallon to 2 gallon, because they probably use it for practically everything that they clean in their house. And because it smells nice, so they will keep on coming and coming back. Getting a very good quality of fragrance for this kind of production is very important, because they want, if they use this thing to clean their house or clean the hospital, let's take for instance you sold it to a hospital, they want it to smell nice, they want to keep having this fresh smell in the environment, and this kind of fragrance can actually upgrade your product. And then when you are printing your label, you can as well print on the label antibacterial. Trust me, they'll keep coming back. So what I did now was adding extra 4 liters of water, making it a total of 11 liters. I will also going with an extra 4 liters of water to make it about 16 liters of water. Now get your mixed and dissolved Texapon. Remember we used 6 liters of water to make this dissolving. And then if we should add it to the existing 11 liters of water we have already in the bucket, that means in total we have 17 liters. I'll also add in an extra 1 liter to complete it, 18 liters. So my water usage for this production is 18 liters. If you want it more concentrated and more thicker, you want your viscosity to be better than mine, like the texture I showed you in the beginning of the video, please deduct your water. You can remove about 30% of the total water I use. That way it will improve your viscosity, and you will love the appearance more or better. It is actually depends individual differences, but make sure you maintain the basic ingredients, which are the surfactants mix, the thickener, the salt, maintain them. But like I said, if you want, you can discount about 30% of the water. But in total of after this production, you'll be having a bulk of 20 liters production. This bucket is a 21 liters bucket, so burner is filled about 20 liters because of the foam on the surface. So at the end, you'll be having 20 liters, because tozapon will dissolve, your salt, all those other ingredients will add up to the bulk of the production. So that's why you'll be having about 20 liters at the end. So you can see how we made this production with little money. The cost of production for this product, it is not even up to 6,000 naira. if you are in Nigeria, and then we made 20 liters of it. And this is something you can package in a very beautiful container and you can sell. So come 2025, come next year, please plan yourself on how you can actually elevate yourself, how you can make yourself independent, how you can be making some products from this my channel that can earn you income. I want you to stop asking people for urgent 1k and urgent 2k. Make these things yourself, people will appreciate it. By the time you start it, they will know you, you will grow. A month later, 1 year later, you will become better than when you started. There are a whole lot of household cleaning agents on my channel you can watch. I will drop the link of the playlist in my description channels, in my description box, so that you can get a view of the whole of all the household cleaning agents. Most of them I have on my channel. You can watch them and learn from it. If you also want private teaching or private tutoring, please, it's paid. You have to consult me on my WhatsApp digits so that we can do more training if you want to go into bigger productions. You can see the outcome of how beautiful it is. Can't you make this for somebody and sell to somebody around you? And the production cost is actually very, very cheap. Very, 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 very cheap. So once you are done making this, all you have to do next is to package. So this is how it looks like the next day under the sun, because I've been shooting it since under light. So this is how it looks like under the normal sun. It is purple. The color, yes, I got the color. The texture, yes, I got it. Then the next thing I'm doing is just for me to package it. After packaging it, I'm ready for sales. I have a paid community, emphasis on paid, because it's a paid private training group. This my community is all about liquid detergents. I teach them about how to make various types of liquid detergents, ranging from hand wash, car wash, the different types of dishwashing liquid. I mean, all these grades are grades that are store-bought grades. These are the grades you can use and compete with the already existing brand in the market. You make liquid soaps that will stand out, that will give you the exact features, characteristics of the ones you buy in the stores, Morning Fresh, Dawn, etc. And then it will also give you the quality. I mean, when I mean the quality, I mean in the aspect of cutting grease, reducing oil, foaming, it will give you those qualities. So if you want to actually join my community, you are free to message me with the number on the screen. Like I said, it is paid. The one I'm holding on my hand is the first one is a ultra grease dishwashing liquid, while the second one is the economic high viscous liquid dishwashing liquid. If you want to learn how to make this, you can see how beautiful they look, the outcome, how sparkling it looks. It gives you that texture, the thickness, the viscosity, the also very effective on washing out oily dishes, oily plates. And it can be diluted with even a high amount of water, and then the dilution rate will still give you, even with a very high dilution rate, it will still give you an effective dishwashing liquid. These are the qualities that I teach when it comes to private training group. And then I also offer production consultancy to companies who are into general productions. I can help you look into your recipes, your SOPs, your formulas, and then help you to make them better, actualize them, irrespective of the country or wherever you work you are. It's a job that can be done remotely as your production consultant, and yet it can come in contract basis if you would like that. So no matter the country, no matter where you are from, I've worked with some companies already, and we have a very good outcome and yield, a very good success rate from the ones I've actually helped to tackle one issue or the other. So feel free to contact me using the number on the screen.